Welcome back. So the question here is, a spring balance has a scale that reads from 0 to 50 kg. The length of the scale is 20 centimeter. A body is suspended from this balance when displaced and released, oscillates with a period of 0.6 seconds. What is the weight of the body? So the spring constant of the spring is given by K equals weight of the maximum mass the scale can read divided by maximum displacement of the scale. So the this particular thing is equal to 50 into 9.8, as the mass is 50, and if we want to convert it to weight, we know that weight equals mg, that is here the this is the value of g. So by that formation we get the weight of maximum mass of the scale can read divided by maximum displacement of the scale, that's given as 20 centimeter. We need to convert it to meter. That's the reason we multiply it by 10 to the power minus 2, and eventually we get the spring constant at as 2450 newton per meter. Now, the time period of spring attached to to a body of mass m is given by this particular formula, which is capital D equals 2 pi root over of m by k. So from this formula, if we put in all these values, the values that are known to us, we get the m as 22.34 kg. Now, if we want to convert it to weight, we need to multiply g with this mass, that is 9.8 into 22.34, and eventually we get the weight as 218.95 newton.